all you're going to need for today's dog treats are 2 ingredients. I'm using blueberries, which are high in antioxidants, and kefir, which has probiotics and has good bacteria for your dog. And the mold I'm using is a cute bone shape that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave in the description box. So I'm just pouring it in. Make sure to shake the bottle before you pour it in. Just fixing it can get kind of messy, so just make sure to just pour it gently in. I'm using the spoon to just clean it up. Not that my dog cares, but I just like to make it look presentable. So now I'm gonna freeze it, and then after 4 to 6 hours it should be solid. And I'm just gonna put it in my jar that I made some yesterday, so I'm just gonna add it in. They kind of broke, so I will maybe freeze them overnight. And I'm just gonna put it in, and now they're ready. You can serve it over your dog's meal or give it as a treat. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.